Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S24. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by choosing the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now just tap on your screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung Galaxy S24. Then, thanks to all of those categories at the top of Samsung device, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. I will only go with a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Receive. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!